Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil part of Boggle Socks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a
guitar.
If you enjoy our tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications. Shall we get started?
Yeah.
Let's begin. Okay, so get yourself a brown pen
or
a grey pen.
Brown, like brown, because
Okay.
normally guitars are brown.
Yep, so in the middle of the page, about here,
Yeah.
we're going to draw a circle,
Or oval.
which is the sound hole.
Where is that?
Yeah,
Oh.
so a circle like that.
I thought it was an oval because I can really hear.
You couldn't see, okay? And then we're going to draw a bigger circle around that.
What's that? Oh.
There's like around the guitar, there's like a decoration
washing
around the
machine
sound hole.
bit.
It does look a bit like a washing machine bit at the minute.
Will you open it and like,
Okay?
with that? I don't get it.
And then what we're going to do is from here, on this side, we're going to draw a straight line going all the way up there. Yeah? Well, this is going to be the neck of the guitar.
Wait, is it meant to be in the middle or the side?
It's got to go through the middle, but not bang in the middle, just to the side. So from here.
Like here.
That's good. Yeah. Stop. And then I'm going to do another one along here.
How many do we
like
need?
That. That's it. We're just doing 2.
What about the strings?
Don't worry, we'll get to that in a minute. Okay. So at the bottom, we're going to do a straight line across like that, and then I'm going to do like a curve. And I think this part of the guitar is called the bridge. I've made a mistake there, but it doesn't matter. Okay?
Can I do like a straight one instead of that
curve? It kind of needs to be like a curved or sort of rectangular shape.
Can I do like a straight?
You could do a rectangle if you want. Okay.
Yeah, that looks.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to colour this bit on this side in.
Why do I have
and
to
this
do
bit
that?
on that side. Well, the strings will come along there, so. Okay.
Looks a bit like a pattern.
It does, doesn't it?
Because the strings will go like.
So at the top, we're going to do there. I think it's called the head. Yeah. It's where the machine heads are. So I'm going to draw a straight line across like that.
What? Okay.
Yeah.
I knew that was.
And then I'm going to do a diagonal line there and there.
Is that going to be 3D?
Not really. A little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to draw 2 lines either side like
I
that.
can't really see.
Can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sometimes I can't.
And then I'm going to do a curved line joining the top.
Oh, now I know
like
what
that.
bit it
Yeah?
is. Yeah.
Okay. And then the things on the side are called, I think they're called the machine heads that tighten the strings.
You could like
So,
make a tune what you want.
Yeah, to tune it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do triangles. So I'm going to do 1, 2,
Zigzag.
3 sort of these shapes. On
No,
that side.
zigzag.
Zigzags, okay.
Well, on the other side.
Yeah, and I'll do the same on the other side. Okay. And then I'm going to do 6 dots. So where those V's are, I'm going to do a dot there, a dot there, a dot there. So, so they should match up to the points of the V's.
Dot there, dot there.
Yeah.
Dot there.
Looking great. Okay, so this is the hardest bit, is to do the box, the sound box, okay? So to get it the right shape, what I'm going to do is see where that circle is, about here.
Yeah.
I'm going to do like a V there and
Doesn't
a V
look hard,
there.
doesn't look.
Okay?
Would it be hard for me?
No,
Will it be hard for the people that are watching it?
I don't think so if they follow, yeah? And then what we're going to do is see the neck. I'm going to make a little mark there and a little mark there.
What is that for?
That's to give us a guide, okay? Yeah, and then what I'm going to do is see this end, I'm going to curve that round like that. And then I'm going to curve that round like that. Okay, so that's the top of the guitar.
Yeah.
And then here, we need to do like a curved line.
What about the string?
Like that. Hold on, we'll get to that bit in a minute. Okay,
Can I do it like that?
and then I'm going to take it around and join it up. Okay, so there's the body of the guitar. Yours looks amazing. You've done a much better job than me. Okay, so the next thing to do is to do, I'm not sure what they're called. Are they called the frets? There's like
Maybe
lines along the neck,
nets?
like this.
Maybe the nets.
The nets.
I have no idea. I
and
never
then
learned
just
about
stop
guitars.
a little bit just above that.
Here?
Yep, that's it. And then what we're going to do is now we're going to do the strings. So really a guitar should have 6 strings, but it doesn't matter. We won't be able to count. So we just do straight lines going
do
all
6.
the way up. Like that. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to the black pen now.
Oh God.
And see this side where the strings are. I'm going to colour this bit
It's
in
not
black.
working. That's
I'll
not
swap it for another one. Okay. So
Do I have to?
it helps it to look like
A real guitar?
a real guitar.
I had like I think it was a ukulele, and basically it was really little, but I couldn't play it because something got stuck in there.
Did it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm also going to go around this bridge in black.
Do I have to?
You don't have to. I'm just doing it really to neaten up the mistakes that I've made.
I have no
Okay?
darn mistake.
No, I know, because you're such a cool and talented artist.
No, I'm not.
I beg to differ. Okay, I'm going to make these dots black.
I don't think they're really dots. I think they're screws.
They are screws. You're absolutely right. They are screws. You're absolutely right.
So I have a ukulele.
That's where the strings get wrapped around. Okay, so now I think it's time for us to colour it in. Wow, Yuli, that is an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and if you did, subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids. We're still running a competition where you can win this amazing book on how to draw animals. Realistically, all you got to do is send in your pictures to our Facebook page, and the winner will win this fantastic prize. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.